Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make your TikTok account public. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on TikTok, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. By making your account public, you open yourself to potential collaborations, partnerships, and networking opportunities with other TikTok users, influencers, and brands. Of course, public accounts are visible to anyone on TikTok, which means your content can reach a larger audience, and this can lead to more views, like shares, and followers. If you're using your TikTok for personal branding or to promote a business, keeping your account public can help build your brand's visibility and reputation. It allows potential customers or followers to easily discover and engage with your content. Now, you can make your TikTok account public in two ways. One is using your TikTok app on your mobile device, but if you're comfortable using the website on TikTok.com, I need you to hover to the upper right corner and click on the settings. Now, once you are here, I need you to click on privacy, and the first option that you can get is the discoverability right here. Now, I'm on a private account. But with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. Now, I need you to slide the toggle, making your account public, all right? If you switch to a public account, all right, anyone can watch your videos. Users may be able to duet, stitch, or download your videos depending on what you choose in settings and privacy. You won't need to approve followers, and all pending follower requests will be automatically approved. And once you're happy with that, all you're gonna do is click on confirm, and that's that. Settings updated. Now, the better option that you can do is to click on the business account, because with the business account, you can access marketing tools and exclusive features through your business account to better connect with viewers, right? That means, for example, with a large engagement followings on a public TikTok or business account, you can have opportunities to monetize your content through brand partnerships, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or even the TikTok Creator Fund. And when you're happy with that, just type in slide the toggle off here, and that's that. All right, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.